How to share YouTube link on Instagram story. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So I'm actually going to show you guys how you can actually do this and then an even better way to do this. So first of all, let me just go ahead and open up YouTube. For example, share my most recent video on my Instagram story by simply copying the link just like that. Then what you can actually do is go ahead and go back to Instagram and add something to your story. So I'll just take a picture just like that, just a random picture for the sake of this tutorial. Simply click on the top where you have that, that sticker icon. And here you can see all of these stickers where you normally add your music and also a link. Now you can actually put in the link to your story just like that and then add this to your story. Now, when I click on it, this will actually happen and it will open up the YouTube video inside sort of like the Instagram browser, as you can see. Now then people have to click on open app and then they'll open it up inside of their YouTube app. There's actually a way to actually directly let the video open up in the YouTube app. Now that is if you go to this website over here, it's called LinkedIn. And if you search for that and paste in your YouTube URL, then click on create, then you get a custom link, which you can now copy. Then go back to Instagram, add something new to your story. So I'll just add another sticker. And then what is actually better to do, because if I now click on done, the link is called LinkedIn. Now this doesn't really attract a lot of people unless you of course say, hey, new YouTube video, but then they'll see LinkedIn. They're like, what's that? So what you can actually do is add a sticker or the link again. And then here it says customize sticker text. If you click on there, then you can still call it like youtube.com. And now it looks exactly the same as a regular YouTube sticker. So now I can actually add this to my story again. And then you can actually see that, oh, okay, actually the link is normally called like this, youtube.be. But yeah, when I click now on the link, this will actually happen. Hold on. There we go. It will directly open this up inside of YouTube in the actual app. So that's actually the best way to share a YouTube link on your Instagram story. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.